Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable analysis that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of gold from where we left off on the Thursday night, which was May 24th. So when we were discussing, market was trending over here exactly, and you guys can see that market tested our area of support level several times over here, and we could maybe take a trade from here and make some profit, then take some trade over here as well. And if we would have taken this trade as well, maybe some profit would have come from here as well. If we would have taken a short position from here till here, maybe a little bit of profit but not much. Market has not really given us any good moves, so market is still trending in between our area of demand, and market is currently over here and testing this area again, and market is constantly going downwards. So the trend, I suppose, is now the downwards trend in approximately the 1 hour chart for now. Okay, so if you guys are looking for trades, I think that preferably look for a sell entry from here or from below this levels. Okay, so tomorrow, which the date will be 6th of May, and the levels are going to remain same. So I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this pair, and if you guys would like to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to get back to you guys. And now let me move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily continue to take trades in this pair of gold. Okay, so that's all. I will see you guys tomorrow. And now let's move on to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off. Okay, so when we were discussing this GBP USD pair, you guys can see that market was trending over here, and once market tested our area of resistance, market gave us some profit till here. Then market gave us another opportunity to short from here till here, and then market gave us an opportunity to buy from here, but we would have hit our stop loss. Then we could have shorted from here, but market did not really give us any good move, and even right now market is giving us a short move. So in the 1 hour chart, market is bullish. You guys can clearly see that market is going upward trend, and right now it is the sideways in a sideways movement. So I think that you guys would be looking for some areas to buy, and let me add on another area which will be approximately over here. Okay, this could be another potential area, this area, okay, from where market could touch and go up again. Okay, so this is valid for tomorrow. Still our market demand and market is currently in the supply zone, and I hope that market will give some good profit by tomorrow. Okay, and if you guys do not understand any concept, then just let us know in the comment section, and I will try my best to explain it to you guys further. Otherwise, just simply follow this method of key for entries, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. And let me move this little guy over here as well, and that's all. Now let's move on to the next pair. It is the Euro USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the Euro USD market previously, market was trending over here on the Thursday night. So once market broke past this area, we could have taken a long position and we could have made some good profit still here. Let me take this trade for you guys. Approximately from here, our stop loss will be just below the previous candle, and take profit will be till here, giving us a 6.2% profit. And now let us mark the new areas of support and resistance for the 6th of May, which will be the Monday night. So as you guys can see that market has now turned towards bullish momentum. So now we will create the new selling points, and you guys can see that the next best zone of selling will be approximately this area. Okay, This is an area of resistance now, this area. Yes, this is an area of resistance, and this is the area of supply, very clearly. And now let us move these scenarios further. Okay, let me move these a little bit up as well so you guys can clearly understand it. Okay, so now let me write down the new areas of resistance and support as well. Okay, so the new area of resistance will be 1.0762, and the zone resistance will be 1.0778, and the area of support will be 1.0677, 1.0677, and the zone support will be 1.0654, 1.0654. Okay, this will be the area of resistance. So now let us move forward these scenarios for tomorrow. And if you guys do have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys, so there is no confusion. This will be the area. Yes, let me move it one step back, and now let me also move this little guy over here only for reference. Okay, so that's all for the Euro USD pair. I will see you guys tomorrow with more trades, and that's all for today. Thank you.